Did you know that curiosity is what blinded hundreds of people in one of history's deadliest explosions? On December 6, 1917, a French munitions ship caught fire in Halifax Harbor. For 20 minutes, it burned, and people watched. Thousands pressed their faces against their windows, curious, calm. Some thought it was beautiful. Then it detonated, the largest man-made explosion the world had ever seen. Every window in the city shattered at the exact same moment. The people closest to the glass, the ones watching the hardest, lost their sight instantly. Curiosity didn't just draw them in, it took their eyes.